Okay, so we're here in Stillwater, Oklahoma. That's my brother's apartment building right there. But right next door they have a little guardian unit. Obviously it's off, but you know. And there's some water dripping. There's the compressor. I don't know what that water is that's dripping. It's probably one of the units. There's some units up there probably condensating or something. Okay. So you can see it's a 2-ton from 2011. Pretty decent unit. And then, in fact, last time we were here when we helped my brother move in, I did not see that thing run the whole time. I don't know, maybe that thing just doesn't run. And over here we got a American Standard or Trane. It actually doesn't have an emblem on it. Unless it's back here, you know? It's strange. Well, it's, okay. 2014. This is a 2-ton. It's got a Gentech fan motor. That's what I was thinking of. Yeah, climate tough compressor in that Trane or American Center. You can see here's the ones that are up there, and one of them just that ream up there to shut off. Anyways, what kind of fan motor does this have? A.O. Smith. Alright, anyways, over.